everybody, it's Ben with Cersei Heat and Air. We're introducing a new weekly video series called Tech Tips. This is going to be where we have Brett Walton come in as our lead tech and give you some information that's going to be helpful for you to get your system ready for the fall. We're also going to do it in the spring, but in this series we're going to start doing some things that you need to know as we start getting toward the end of the season, things that are going to help you. So without further ado, here's Brett.
Hey guys, this is Brett Walton here with Cersei Heat and Air, and just coming at you with a quick tech tip on your heating and air system. We're getting close into the final stages, hopefully, of summer, and as these systems run, we're going to have some issues, especially coming with the drain. What I wanted to talk to you about real quick is that a lot of systems, especially if they're going to be up in an attic or even in closets, they have safety switches here. Now they do look different, there are different kinds, but for the most part, this safety switch is installed in your system to protect your sheetrock in case a drain overflows, or your floor if say it's in a closet. The fastest way that you can check and see if something's wrong with your system and is to come by and you can take a look and pull up here. Don't pull on the wires, but if you come up here and you can stick your finger in there, and if we've got water inside this cup, this is wired up to shut down either your outside unit or the whole system entirely. And it's something that is real quick and easy that you can take a look and see. And if you do have water in your system, make sure to give us a call at 827-1995, and we'll be happy to come by and take a look and get your drain cleared out for you. And one other quick note, visit us on Facebook, and also check out our website, CerseiHeatandAir.com. This fall we're going to be having a lot of promotions. We're going to be having prizes, so make sure to visit us and give us a call if there's anything that we can do for you.